In order to make an Earrape audio, open the Effects library. Search for Distortion Effect. Apply the effect by dragging it onto your clip audio. We now have a window with settings open. Select Fuzz Face from Templates. Now you can adjust the settings. Output level controls the volume. Dry-wet changes how much of the audio is being distorted. Close the window. Enjoy.
Trade deficit. China ate your lunch. China ate your lunch, Joe, and no wonder your son goes in and he takes out billions of dollars. Takes out billions of dollars to manage. He makes millions of dollars. And also, while we're at it, why is it? Just out of curiosity. The mayor of Moscow's wife gave your son $3.5 million. What did he do to deserve it? What did he do with this? None of that. $180,000. None of that is true. None of that is true.